So I recently ordered this kitty litter box online. It's called the Cove litter box and shelter by a company called Tuft+Paw. So I'm going to show you how to assemble it. So here's what we got. We got something that looks like a scooper here. We got some instructions. We got, this kind of looks like the side of a tray here. And some type of tray. And this must be the actual tray tub that the kitty litter goes into. Looks like this is like a little brush. Okay, so let's put this thing together now. Here's the instructions. There's only 1, 2, 3 steps. So anyway, you take this tray here and just stick it in the side like that. Then you take this brush and you put it in the tray like that. Then you take this scooper here and put in the tray like that. Anyway, the next thing you do is take this thing here, and then you just turn it upside down and place it. This is the open end right there. On top like that. So you see that kitty comes in here, does its business, and then leaves through there. Very simple, very easy. And that's it. Thank you for watching.